4 times longer than a stretch limo. As tall as 2 Cadillac Escalades stacked on top of each other, it looks like a truck and sounds like a locomotive. Think you've seen extreme limousines? Think again. Weighing in at a staggering 25 tons, 70 feet long, 13 feet 8 inches high, and 8 feet wide, this limousine is the most enormous, extravagant, and expensive in the world. Meet the Midnight Rider. This monster is a $2.5 million party on wheels.
The Midnight Rider is the world's largest limousine. It's the most expensive and most luxurious ride that you will ever find. It's the only tractor-trailer limousine in the world.